Haha, the new parts are here. Oh yeah, don't get too excited about the name AD tuning because we are not going to do any mod. That is illegal. I still live in Germany, so yeah, anyway. I've ordered new headlights for the E90 because on the inspection they said that the headlights are way too matte and the light is not distributed very well. So anyway, I bought brand new headlights. Let's see how this looked like. Everything seems to be okay. Yeah, everything is intact, no broken parts. We even received the clamps, the metal clamps for the screws. That's nice. And you will see outside that's a big difference from this new one and my headlights, because mine are completely yellow, and I didn't want to polish or buff the headlights anymore because are way too done. And this part inside the headlight, it's completely yellow, so I cannot do anything about that. That's why I ordered new lamps. And because we have new headlights, it's time to put some blue xenon bulbs. Yeah, new xenon bulb. As you can see on the side on the headlight, it said H7. Yeah, that's the type, the light bulb that go inside. We have H7 in here. I'm going to install these new ones, and after that we are going outside. And check what I've noticed. The headlights are already with angel eyes installed, LEDs. That's crazy, really. So let's check the other one. I'm pretty sure that this one is like the same. Yeah, check this out. The angel eyes are already installed in the new headlights. That's crazy, really. So this is before. Yeah, as you can see, everything is yellow, and the problem is that everything is yellow inside, yeah, under the glass, so we cannot buff that. That's why I've ordered new headlights. This is after. No way to compare. There is no freaking way. Yeah, let's continue with the video. So now let's begin. In order to change the headlights, we have to remove the front bumper. In my case, it's very easy, or it should be very easy, because I don't have any park sensor, I don't have any washer for the headlights. Yeah, so I just have to remove a few 8mm screws. Yeah, we have one in here, we have one in here underneath, yeah, the whole bumper, and after that the same here and here and somewhere in there. Yeah, and of course here under the hood. Let's open the hood first. Okay, yeah, we can clearly see we have to remove this torque, I think 25 or 30. Yeah, these 4, and after that we can remove the bumper. And I'm going to make some pictures how the headlights are set up. Yeah, because these white plastics are for adjustment. Yeah, after that of course you can adjust the headlights in here, but I want to put everything in the same order because everything is aligned very well. Yeah, okay. Till my tool is recharging the battery, I will have to do everything manual. And here you can see the holes underneath the bumper. Yeah, you just have to go underneath and you will see all the screws. Yeah, as you can see, one in there, in there, in there, in there, and the last one. Yeah, this will be underneath the bumper. Yeah, and I think that's about it. It's going to be tight in here, but before we are going to try to take the bumper off, we have to look under this plastic shield, because here underneath we will have two screws. Yeah, we have to unbolt those first, and after that. And I think I'm gonna leave it like this, because I have a screw in there that is spinning and I cannot undo that. Now I can take that off, but I don't need anymore. Yeah, and these are the holes that I've told you that you will have two screws, one in here and one in here. You have to put this plastic shield aside and you will find the bolts. Yeah, you can see now just the holes, one in here and another one in there. It's kind of tricky without removing this splash guard, but I managed to do that without removing the wheels or the splash guard. Yeah. So apparently I cannot take the headlight out because there is a screw in here and I have to remove this plastic shield, and for that I have to remove the wheel. Oh man, so it started to be complicated. Somewhere in here there is a screw and I cannot take it just from this side. Freaking bolt. Let's do that. Finally out. Yeah, check this out. You have to tear everything apart in order to take out the headlight. It's kind of complicated. So anyway, I'm going to do the same thing in here, and after that we are going to install the new headlights. That's about it. Let's put the new headlight in here to see the difference, and after that I'm going to show you the end result. Yeah, what a difference. For real, it's a big difference. Yeah, let's check if everything works, and after that we can put everything back together. So I'm not sure if this is going to work without the the key. Oh, nice. See that? Now that we know that everything works, we are going to do the same thing for this side, and after that bumper, and pretty much that's about it. Job done. Yeah, it looks great. There is no way to compare the old one with these new ones. Everything fits perfect. I just have to wait till the night comes and to see if are leveled, or I have to do some adjustment. But other than that, I think it's a pretty good job. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.